Alright guys, so another very exciting day today. Today, I'm gonna be going over to Isaiah's house. We're gonna be doing some prep work. We're gonna go ahead and mount the kit onto the car and see how it looks. Fix any imperfections before we start making any of the final adjustments. I just got out of work. It's already 3 in the afternoon, and here in San Diego, the sun goes down pretty early right now. So I'm trying to beat the sun, and everything along the way today was just keeping me from doing that. So I'm gonna go ahead and load what I can onto the car, a lot of big parts and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and deliver something real quick. Then next time you guys see us, we'll be heading over to Isaiah's house. So I managed to fit the whole kit in my car. This is insane. The only thing I'm obviously not bringing is my wheels because there's no point in bringing them here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the kit at Isaiah's house while we go to work, because there's no point in bringing the kit and bringing it back to the house because I'm not gonna do the work here. So yeah, let's go ahead, head over to Isaiah's house and get this thing going. So we made it to Isaiah's house. I'm gonna go ahead and move the car out of the way because I need the garage. I'm losing sunlight. Come on, man. So we've been at this for like, I would say, a little less than an hour. And we are doing pretty good progress. I cannot talk. We got the right side mounted and we're testing severely for fitment. Right now they're trying to get one of my rear pieces off with a wooden spoon and a heat gun.
Hey, but it's working, that's all that matters. Yeah, kind of, sort of.
So just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like with tape mock-up right now, this is what we got. So my concern is also right here is that it looks like it doesn't fit correctly because of the sag here. But even when I lift up the bumper, it still doesn't line up correctly. So I think it's gonna be fine though. I think that's just how it is, because if I try to lower any lower, it doesn't line up correctly with this part. So we'll give it a shot. So far, it's looking pretty good. We're probably gonna test fitment a few times before we do anything else.
Hey guys, so I'm here now. But what I'm going to record is Nando making the first drill in his body kit.
I don't know what I'm doing. I could have paid someone to do this, but what's the fun of that? You know? So, I'm doing this. Yep.
There we go.
Here we go.
One.
No turning back.
Hold the right here. No turning back.
No turning back now. No turning back.
Well, the fenders I can still change those.
You can replace fenders.
But the rears
Yeah.
are the no turning back part, right? So that's the part that I'm scared of. Okay.
Yep. So we're out here doing big boy things.
Right here.
There's Nando drills holes.
The dark card
there you have them.
There you go, guys. His first piece of hardware in the kit. You just hear like your body go.
Every time.
had a Pickle Express.
You gotta spit on it.
You're gonna put the weather liner on it too?
Alright guys, so pretty much Nando has bolted on this whole side, but we're gonna have to wait to get the rears on because we're gonna have to make us some cuts. You guys have an idea.
Actually, I don't even find the tape. But anyways, so much of the drill holes.
So that's already there. We are going to
I don't care about
start
the tape
his left side.
that much, so.
Okay, so battery died, cut out, so I'm gonna continue that. So we're gonna start doing his left side now. Since we got that side done. Same thing.
Yeah.
We're gonna
It's
get this side taped on. We're gonna get it going. So update on Nando's car. You got the rivets on there. I don't think Nando wants to talk about the drilling process, but how's it going so far?
It's okay. Not the best,
But it's on there.
but it's on there.
Yep.
And it's gonna come off like 300 more times because the work. So, yeah, for that.
But you know, there it is from that side right there. And we are just about done with the left side. So you guys see all the handprints and everything, but that's all gonna get cleaned off. I can probably guarantee you that. But there you just got the skirt on that side. I think Isaiah's doing the front right now, is that what you're doing? There you go. So the only thing left on this side to do, Nando's got in his hand, is the skirt. Let's go right there. So stand by for any more updates.
So we basically finished what we could do. The rear parts, the rear panels cannot go on because I have to do some minor cutting. But the rivets are on, so that's taken care of. My holes definitely sucked. Like, I definitely could have done better, but thanks to the drill, it did not come out how I was expecting it to. But it's okay because it's under the car and you don't really see it. So unless you take it off the part, then it's whatever. The next step is going to be get some double-sided 3M for the fins. I wish I could show you, but it's a little dark outside. For the fins, I'll show you guys in the next video. Then getting the rear pieces on, and then probably start cutting. My tires are on their way. Like I mentioned before, I think I got the wrong size, but we're gonna try and put them on anyways. Hopefully I don't become a fucking beat boy. We'll see. It's gonna be very cool to do. Then deciding on what color we're gonna go with for the car. Still don't know yet.
If you guys have any ideas, drop in the comment below. Maybe give Nando some ideas. We have one friend that already gave one idea, so.
Yeah, we still got a few weeks to probably take it out to paint. I'll probably be driving around with the off-white colors for a while and stuff. But yeah, also we're gonna rebrand the channel from Popboy Media to something else for like the third time that we've rebranded the channel now. It's just for ease of production and for like rebranding and stuff. When we put the name out, it'll be a lot easier for me to just put that out.
No one in public's just gonna drop like, oh, hey, you should see Popboy Media. What is that?
I'm sure we also have not mentioned before, but we're all up for orders when we're all gonna separate at the middle of next year. What's it called? So yeah, so we don't know where Chris is going yet. He may be staying in San Diego, maybe he's leaving too. But I'm going to Hawaii. I'm moving to Hawaii. Isaiah's moving to Virginia.
I'm either staying here or I'm going to Hawaii, so
yeah,
it's one or the other.
So we'll see what happens. No matter what, I'm gonna keep making videos. Maybe these guys will do their own thing. Isaiah Paulie's gonna get a different car out there, do his own thing out there. He has a whole new thing to start off on. It's a whole new fresh start in Virginia. And then
If I get stuck here, we'll see what happens here.
Yeah, we'll see.
But
yeah. That's it.
don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Tell your friends and family. And everything else. Deuces, guys.